Alrighty, got another quick video walkthrough for you guys. Today we're looking at a 2008 National RV Pacifica 40E. This is a 40-foot diesel pusher on the Freightliner chassis. It's got a 360 Cummins motor in it. I think it's an 8.3 liter if I'm not mistaken. Of course, 22.5 tires, about 4 years old there. Nice little outdoor TV. You can see that is on a slide too, so you can bring that out to entertain even better. Got that nice slide tray. Obviously doesn't come out right here, but we'll push out the other side. But quite a bit of basement storage with that raised rail chassis. I mean, look at that. That is incredible right there. This coach is a 3-slide unit. As you can see, you got one big old super slide right here. Your awning is connected to that right there. You do have a slide topper up there also. A couple batteries in the back. What do you got? 8 batteries back here, something like that. Big old inverter. What is that? 2,000 watt. It's our rear of the coach. You can see your backup camera up there. Beautiful color combination on this thing. Rear radiator. And you got a 10,000 pound hitch down here with a 7-pin connector. You see 2 more slides right on this side. Power cord is on a reel, very nice. Here's your dump station, nice and clean. You can see it's nice and low. You got the low point drains down there too, outdoor shower, some winterization stuff. Here's the other side of these pass-throughs. You can see that nice Dirt Devil central vac system which we have inside. And you can actually hook one up to right there so you can clean the basement area too, which is very cool. It's the other side of that slide through. Makes storing stuff a heck of a lot easier. Propane tank, 47.7 gallons. It's pretty big. Fuel fill. Nice little electrical area. Does have side view cameras too, as you can see. Generator, of course, under there. I think it's a 7,500 watt gen, if I'm not mistaken. Here's the first real quick look. Now this coach, like I said, 360, 43,000 miles on this bad boy. A couple ACs on her. Got that Allison 3000 series shifter. Nice little storage areas kind of scattered throughout. A little power in there too, which is nice for phone charging. A couple cup holders. This does have air ride, air brakes, has an air dump system too, which is kind of nice. Now one slide is from that corner to this corner. And you got the couch in there, which is, I don't think is a sleeper. I think it just has this under storage right there. And right behind us we have another couch, which is a sleeper. That should be, I think, a pull out. Yep. Nice little side hidden area right there. And then this does pull out too, which is kind of cool. It extends. Got a couple little cubby holes in there on top of the drawers. Very nice. Corian countertops with the covers throughout. We won't go through all the cabinets here, but we'll quickly go through a few. No oven, so you do have a convection microwave. And it's actually about a residential size, which is very nice. 3-burner gas stove top. Oh, and you actually got the Corian cover storage back there too. Very nice. And of course, a couple pots and pans storage. Your fridge, it is a 4-door. It's a Dometic propane or electric ice maker in the right, which is interesting. They're usually on the left, but hey, whatever. This is kind of cool too. It does have a locking feature, so it won't fly open while you're driving. Pretty decent sized fridge. You can actually see that central vac system right there with a little dustpan. Awesome. The slide on this side, that corner, all the way down to that corner. Got a nice little dinette here. I think this does pull out, give you a little bit more space. There should be a couple chairs in the closet back there. As you can see, you got just a little bit of storage down there. That's an air pump for that air mattress. And then you got a couple of these up here. Now obviously stops there, but it's passed through there. Same with that big one right there. This will be your pantry. No, bad pantry storage by any means. Now we're getting into my favorite part of this coach, which this is really, it's a two-person coach. I mean, you do have a couple pocket doors here and back there, but look at this great little vanity with a combo washer dryer unit in it. Double vanity and this nice little way to access those water lines. Very intuitive. Not only that, look how big these medicine cabinets are. Very cool. Now behind us, you have your control panel, fuse panel, slide controls, generator, ACs, all the good stuff. And then of course your bathroom kind of splits the middle of the bedroom and the galley. Now me, I'm 5'9". Let's see, can I fit? Easily. Plenty of room. My gosh, you could be 6'3", 6'4", 6'5", easily and still get wet. Corian toilet, or China toilet should I say. A little bit of counter space in there. Very nice. Now your bedroom. You have a little makeup station right here. Whole lot of storage. I think this is where your TV is. Kind of limited on size. If you, you know, remount something in here, you'd probably want to put a piece of wood and get a bigger TV if you want to go that route. And then lots of makeup storage. Not as deep as I would have expected. Same over here. And your bed, it is a queen bed. Bed is on a slide. There to there. And let's see, does this lift up? Yeah, not really meant for storage, but you can see some hydraulics down there. Look at all the fancy furnishings. Got a light in there, cedar lined. I probably don't need to see that, just model numbers and serial numbers, but in case you want to. To the right of that, got another closet. Nice and deep. Let me open this bowl so you can see. Yeah, fantastic fan right above us. And there's a look from the back. Even when this thing is fully closed up, you can't access everything, which is very nice. You can get to the bathroom, to the fridge, all that good stuff. Beautiful tile floor in here. Actually, I don't think any of them are cracked, which is kind of surprising for something about 12 years old. This thing's actually pretty solid. And it was only about 7-8 minutes. It was a quick walkthrough. I didn't want to go through all the cabinets. I don't want to bore you by any means, but I'll give you one quick look from the outside. If you are looking for something specific, shoot me a comment down below. I'll get you whatever you need. We got this coach here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. We're selling it for $79,995. Great focus right there. My name's Taylor Quell. You're welcome to reach out to us. Our phone number is 520-807-0900. Thank you so much for viewing my video. Hope you have a great day.